Good morning, children. Our today's topic is urine formation. We all have studied about the nephron, the unit of kidney, structure of nephron, right? So in the nephron, the urine formation takes place. And nephrons, millions of nephrons, I told you so many times, are present in the kidneys. So in the kidney or in the nephron, the urine formation or the formation of urine takes place. How? It takes place in the 4 stages, or there are 4 ways in which the completion of urine formation takes place. First is ultrafiltration, second is selective reabsorption, third one is tubular secretion, and last is osmoregulation. Right? So first one is very important, right? Very important. Ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration is the process in which the nephric filtrate or the nitrogenous waste filter out from the nitrogenous waste containing blood. I told you the main artery or the artery takes the nitrogenous waste containing blood and enters inside the Bowman's capsule. There are so many glomerulus or tuft of capillaries is present here, that is known as glomerulus, right? So the filtration takes place by means of the capillaries of glomerulus by the process of diffusion. So the diffusion takes place and the nephric filtrate is squeezed out from the nitrogenous waste containing blood. Then the blood becomes pure and it ultimately goes back to the body. And that nephric filtrate, why this fluid is known as nephric filtrate? Because the process is done inside the nephron. It is also known as Bowman's filtrate because the process is done in the Bowman's capsule, right? And the process is known as ultrafiltration. Okay, so 2 marks में आता है that nephric filtrate is squeezed out in the lumen of Bowman's capsule. Along with the nitrogenous waste, nitrogenous waste contains the urea, uric acid, so many toxic substances, along the large amount of water and salt. So, large amount of water and large amount of salt or electrolyte also is squeezed out along with the nephric filtrate inside the lumen of Bowman's capsule. That whole process is known as ultrafiltration. Next is selective reabsorptions. That essential salts or the large amount of water has to go back inside the body or inside the blood, right? So how that takes place? The walls of nephron, the walls of PCT and DCT do the function of reabsorption. By that, high amount of water and electrolytes reabsorbed by the walls of PCT and DCT and loop of Henle. Right? Now the solution which is left behind is known as urine, which is secreted inside the tubules. Okay, that is known as tubular secretion. That fluid is known as urine. Okay? That urine maintains the body temperature or maintains the water level of the body. The situation is said to be osmoregulation, to maintain the body temperature. Okay, so it contains or it completes into 4 steps. Next thing is, if the kidneys are not capable to do the ultrafiltration or for the formation of urine, how the process of urine formation takes place? In that cases or in that people or that patient in which the kidneys are not working properly or their kidneys are damaged, okay, so the process is said to be hemodialysis. Hemodialysis, in which the artificial kidney plays the major role. Artificial kidney is nothing else, it is the box contains so many tubes covered by the membrane, right? Like that. So the blood of the patient, okay, who is suffering from that particular disease of kidney, who is on the hemodialysis or dialysis, the machine is said to be dialyster or dialysis machine. तो उसका जो blood है that comes, or the doctors take the blood from the main artery. Now the question arises, the blood as soon as comes out from the blood vessels, it will coagulate. Then the doctors mix the anticoagulant in the blood. और उसको क्या बोलते हैं एंटीकोगुलेंट को? हिपेरिन. हिपेरिन उसमें मिक्स किया जाता है. And then blood will not be capable to coagulate. And then blood transfer to the dialysis machine or dialyster. In the tubes, in the dialyster, the tubes act as the nephron and squeeze out the urine or nitrogenous waste. That nitrogenous waste goes inside the separate box or container attached to the dialysis machine, and that pure blood or the nitrogenous waste free blood goes back to the patient's body by means of vein. दो ट्यूब लगाई जाएंगी, एक आर्टरी से जो नाइट्रोजीनस वेस्ट कंटेनिंग ब्लड को ले रही है, और साइक्लिक वे है, पूरा चलता रहेगा. ऐसा तो नहीं है पूरी बॉडी से पूरा ब्लड एक बार में निकाल लेंगे, राइट. और साइक्लिक वे में ही जो प्योर होता जाएगा ब्लड, जिससे नाइट्रोजीनस वेस्ट सेपरेट हो जाएंगे, वो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, वापस बॉडी में भेज दिया जाएगा बाय मीन्स ऑफ वेन, राइट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द यूरिन फॉर्मेशन और द टॉपिक एक्सप्रेशन. इसी के साथ हमारा जो ये चैप्टर है लाइफ प्रोसेसेस वो पूरा कंप्लीट होता है. थैंक यू सो मच.